The biggest challenge is you need to build in a controlled environment. In the chamber, obviously it's a hot melt-in process that requires very controlled environment.
In the melt, you have issues with impurities from environmental gases, so nitrides or oxygen. Air Products supplies us with the high purity industrial gas, argon, and that's going to keep those kind of impurities out of our product, which will supply a high-end part for our aerospace customers.
TurboCam engineering company specializing in turbo machinery, flow path components, both on providing solutions for our customers and manufacture of those components.
We decided to invest in 3D printing because it's a perfect complement for our already existing manufacturing techniques. We're an advanced 5-axis milling company, so we want to supply our customers with the best that they can get, so they have an interest in making things we couldn't make the traditional way.
Air Products is really excited to play in the 3D printing industry because it's such a new emerging technology and it's going to be disruptive in the future. It's really going to change the way that we look at manufacturing.
Although the system comes with a nitrogen generator, we found that argon is a better choice of gas because it keeps more impurities, particularly nitrides, out, and that helps deliver a better end product to our users.
The benefit of using argon versus other gases is it opens up our options for materials.
Our gases and the different purity levels will really enable companies to experiment and grow with the technology, whether they're in a startup phase right now or in a production phase later.
So Air Products has helped us improve our 3D printing purely on an environmental basis, but also on a day-to-day operational basis. Before we used bottles, we always had to check the purity levels. We always had to check, do we have enough gas to complete this build? We had to check leaks, but in this case we have a bulk system attached. We have consistent purity levels and a consistent delivery of gas for long builds.
Because of the telemetry unit that's installed on site, TurboCam never has to worry about calling us or getting on the phone with somebody to order new product, as we get an automatic notification letting us know that they're running low, so that we can deliver the product to them without any disruption in their service.
TurboCam decided to go with Air Products because of their response to our strict project timeline. We sent out a number of RFQs, had a great response from Air Products with site visits, proposals, and a quick site implementation.
Air Products is the right supplier for TurboCam because we're meeting all their process needs, all their volume needs, all their purity certifications. We have the application support to understand their overall process and size the system and gas supply accordingly.
Air Products understands our business really from a startup position and in view of our growth projection to install a bulk system that can be scalable.
I think in 5 to 10 years down the road, 3D printing is going to be the go-to technology for the majority of manufacturing companies.
I'm excited about the trend in 3D printing and the technology as it opens up many design options, whether it's internal features, features that you cannot see or are hidden, you can't reach with a tool. And I believe as this grows, Air Products can help us scale this production.